What's up, guys? I'm Boy from Taraji Farm, back again with another video. How are you doing? Thank you so much for those who've been watching our videos, and today we are back again with another one. And today we'll be harvesting some potatoes from our third raised bed garden. And yeah, let's see how much we can get. I'm a bit skeptical of the amount that we'll get because this is one of the shaded areas of the farm. As you can see, we have some trees. Our neighbors have some trees just right next to our farm, and this is part of the most shaded area of our farm. So I think it gets about 4 hours of full sunlight. I'm not sure, maybe 3 to 4 hours. But let's see what we can get and make some delicious dinner for our family. So here is a recap of how the journey has been from planting on our third raised bed until now that we are harvesting. So keep watching and let's see how much potatoes that we are going to get from this bed. We haven't had much rain in the last 7 days, but hopefully we are going to get some rain this week. Otherwise, we have to start watering the crops. Just loving how the potatoes have come up so well. Yeah, so let's see whether we get some rains this week so that we can continue seeing some growth on our potatoes. We've had rains for the last 2 days. Actually, yesterday it rained very heavily, and the potatoes are doing quite good, and even the cucumbers at the edges. Yeah, I think they're recovering from the slow growth that they've been having due to lack of enough water. Currently, this is how the bed looks like. You can see most of the plants are already dried off, apart from the ones that are closest to the fence. As I said, this area is really shaded, so probably that could have impacted those potatoes right there. So these are our tools for the day. I'll be using this tray to load the potatoes, and these small tools just to assist me in harvesting them. And after which I have some peas right here that I want to put on that bed just to see whether I can get some peas before the end of the season. So this is one of the plants that had not dried up, but we got some few potatoes from there. What I'm doing is I'm just looking for any leftover potatoes, including the very little ones, because I don't think we'll be putting potatoes again on this bed. As I said, this area is quite shaded, so just getting rid of them so that we don't have any more potato plants here. I might miss a few, but we'll get some volunteer plants from that. So just making it ready for the peas by removing the weeds and also the leftover potatoes. So here we have some peas, and that's what I'll be planting here. I think they should do very well. We don't need to add to the soil fertility, so let's just plant them, and we'll be back here in a few weeks, couple of weeks.